Hi, my name's Chris Horton, and today we're at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach, and we're standing on a brand new 2020 NauticStar 2602 Legacy. This one's already equipped with a Simrad 12-inch chart plotter GPS fish finder, trim tabs, upgraded stereo, stainless steel rocker switches. The whole color matches the underside of the T-top. Deluxe leaning post. And the cushions back here will remove. You've got a live well at the very stern. You also have another live well right here with a freshwater washdown. Moving forward, you have a large head compartment with a holding tank, full cushions that remove, fish boxes underneath. Up front you do have a windlass anchor, and I like the bow backrest because they move out of the way. Cooler. If you've got any questions about this boat, give me a call on my cell at 850-974-6032.